going on? Morning kids, it's your mama here. No, morning kids, it's your girl Wetty here. I just wanted to pop in and say hi. Oh, way to go run this thing.
Yeah.
Give me that, guys. It's your girl.
Actually, answer the brief properly.
Please, not that y'all give a damn and shit. Anyways, I just wanted to say my skin isn't skinny, but like you guys can clearly and obviously see that because look at me. Opalega Jansis. How was the paper?
I'm at a point where
Me and you both. Dimple Belinjani papers is
terrible.
terrible.
It's terrible.
Everything or just that last bit?
That last bit.
That last bit. As I didn't even try.
Minus my marks. Might as well minus the whole thing too.
Yeah, that's the thing. Minus the whole thing.
It was actually so deep. Even that case study.
That case should be little.
It was a bunch of writing and then
Yeah. I thought maybe my English was the issue.
No,
but
no,
okay.
I think a rewrite is no, I don't want to rewrite.
Like an
They must write it
assignment.
for themselves.
That question. Possible that you couldn't rewrite.
I hate how much information they gave us to study just to ask us this much and then with this length of it.
Oh my gosh, guys, spend the. Sorry. In the morning. Demilan guys, it's your girl Wetty here and I just decided to pop by and say hi. Spend the day with me. Yes.
After dark. Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone
I think I have the cockies. Yeah, I know, on the way. My sister's now tagging along with it too, right? I keep eating. She's tagging along and we're going to Checkers. Yeah, so long, because as of right now, I'm ashy. Say hi. It's too red. It's too red. Jackpot! I just got my juices, but like it's not what I want. Now I'm looking for fruits because Checkers didn't have fruits. I'm like, what supermarket don't have strawberries? They only had raspberries though. We're by the vegetable side, and now we're going to the fruit side. I swear to God, if they don't have apples, strawberries. So I didn't get my strawberries, but I did get the juices. Nah, I'm fine. Strawberries. There we go. Anyways, I got my shit, bros. Now I just need to. Oh, there's a nice water bottle. But I have. Oh, yes. Anyways, kids, now we're on our way to Boulders, because isn't that right, Anele? That's right. No, why are you yelling? What's wrong with this child? Oh. Similar guys, I'm on campus. I've been vlogging. I'm on campus, and I came here. Yeah, you carry on talking. My earrings are so sweet. Who's calling my phone? Who's calling out? Who's calling my phone? Wait, can I put it somewhere? Oh my gosh, I need a little stand. Morning! To go with you, and I just wanted to pop in and say good morning. And like, maybe just want to spend the day with me. And if you got that's good, that's it. You is the interested in doing of the soul. Hi, children, it's your mommy here. I need a more coffee. I like the waves here. Beamer.
But they always argue. Big grocery shopping, not a very nice experience.
Guys, it's your girl Wetty. Guys, it's your girl Wetty here, and I'm grocery doing of the shopping. In a Peter. Guess who found pineapple? Damn time, like I swear there was no pineapple in this place, and I didn't know what to do with myself. For run. And I put this thing was like 22 rand. She's talking about budgeting as if this grocery money didn't chow on my money. Imagine saving just to have the grocery chow on your money. Nene. Nene. Yeah, and then
Me a favor and call a nigga back.
you talking me and I'm talking back. Like I'm feeling really cold, and she wants me to be walking in between these places. She wants me to be walking in between these places as if I'm. Hey, boss, look on the DNG.
It's like 10 to that day.
No, I brought a whole box. Go look in the cabinet. And then I brought a whole box. You see, how can you bala something on the list and then you didn't check?
Then why didn't you refill it then?
I did refill. You can't tell me to ask a dealer on. I don't do anything, but it's okay. Like, why are you faking? Let's look at the practicality of you faking. Yeah, I don't know why you're laughing. You've been at it, and you cannot go to all like that. You know, if one was to ask me the practicality of grocery shopping with my sister, I'd say 0 out of 10.
Like that. What are you looking for? It's an interview. Relax. I feel very attacked right now. Take the trolley. Push the trolley on Monday, but yesterday I had an assignment.
Jeez, man. It's currently 12:55 right now. And I want to go home and eat. I don't want to be here. Gin and chat. Mister, I don't think you're supposed to eat that, right? What are we here for, my dear? Why do they like fillets? I think chicken breasts and fillets are the same.
Yeah.
Anyways, do I even want to kulima? No, I'm going home and I'm gonna go eat. And then I'm probably gonna go take a nap, which is crazy. Cause I have a terrible headache and it's okay. Cause I'm just a girl. I don't know. I'm just gonna take it and then see how I feel about it. I will go and sleep because I can and I will. There's like a car coming.
And I'm never on wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to
Very well, I want to be. But anyways, I'm currently taking a walk outside in New York. It's hi kids. It's your dad here. So yes, this girl's serious. You don't want me pull up. Morning. And then let's say morning. Morning. What time is your lecture?
9.
Oh no. You were so chill today.
I think we should go get a cookie.
Oh my gosh, yes. But at whose expense?
First see the sun shining from my room. You're such a
Hi,
sight
Sam.
in the month of June. Beautiful like the moon.
Oh my gosh, that is my Morning, Matindra. Morning, Bennett. How are you?
It's been a long
in Bali, and we took a little detour to Seattle because I've been wanting a butterscotch. We're currently taking another detour. We're at Mr. Fazbear. Currently looking at homeware because I just wanted to stop by and stuff. I like new candles. I like candles, but not any candles. I'm looking for candles for homeware and stuff. And it was entirely up to me.
ai có thầy ở đây không? Yêu em.